What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. The video that you guys are gonna watch, because I did not do an intro for it, but it was a snow goose hunt. There were 4 of us guys. We hunted over full body decoys, probably about 30, 40, maybe, I think probably 30 or 40 dozen, something like that. We set them up big. I'll show you guys that later on. Didn't do a really good job of it. It was kind of rough, but I think you guys get the gist of it anyway. A-frames in the middle of a field. It really worked out very well. It was a good day. One of the guys that was there, he's the guy that put the hunt together and everything, was Wade. Is Wade. And Wade is literally the reason I had the opportunity to get into waterfowl. He gave me my first shot, my chance to get in with a group and be able to hunt. So big shout out to Wade. Thanks so much for getting me into this addictive and really expensive hobby. My wife loves it. Before we get into it though, real quick, white birds on a blue sky, a little bit hard to see. I did the best I could with zooming in and stuff like that. Sorry if you can't pick them out all the time, but I did the best I could. So anyway, let's go shoot some snows.
That's a bunch of birds. Hopefully they like it. I was like, there's a few that are yeah, there you go.
Oh, Jesus.
There you go.
Oh, Jesus. Justin's a good luck. He better be. He was good luck last time.
Hey, I'll take all the luck we can get. All right, come on. Need about 5 mile an hour more wind.
Yeah, it was supposed to be 10 to 20. Oh, yeah.
Look at him. Look at him work.
Do your thing.
There you go. Pull them all down.
Right there would have been it.
Chunk. Spin around, do it again.
Yeah, bring that group of 10 or 12. We're taking that.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah, here it comes. Check that shit.
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh, no. That was it. That's gonna do it for us.
They're coming back on the left. They're gonna cross right in front of us. Pow pow.
What's the band? Oh, I did.
I mean, the bright side, they're not like skyrocketing. There we go. Come on. Get down in here. There's some good blues in there. I think so. Oh, that would have been a good one though. Hey, you guys can center up and come in. That'd be cool.
Perfect like that.
Yeah, just get in here. Get in here.
Ball up like that.
Yeah.
Get ready. Let her eat!
That blue got smashed.
Yep.
That's what's up.
Awesome.
They work good.
Yeah, they did.
They work good. A mature bird? What?
Good girl. Got another one?
I think that's it. Ooh. My favorite. Big old blue. Boy, that's no hesitation. Look at him just eat it up.
Oh.
Boy, these 3 are just eating it alive. You guys hungry? Oh, that blue is... Oh. I want to shoot them so bad. They're getting lower.
Yeah.
These three are definitely helping that whole mess.
Yes, that's right.
Oh.
Take them! What the?
I was not ready
to the
for
right,
that.
to the right. Here they come back. Load up. Hold on. Wait. Let them keep coming. Take them.
Nice shot.
Got a wing.
Shooting like who?
Guy's landing gear out already.
Yeah.
Like, part of me's like, absolutely. That part of me's like, man, that's still pretty tall. Alright. Oh, I hope they do it good. There we go. Come up the runway.
That's what I was,
That's
what I was planning.
yeah, since snow geese always do what was planned. Oh man.
We made that runway for
Oh.
a purpose.
Come on. Oh, you gotta come over this way? Shoot him out the back?
Yeah.
Oh, please come back. Okay, thank goodness.
Are they turning?
Yeah, they turned.
Pretty beautiful though.
Oh man. They're working great though.
Look at that top group now. Look at them just dropping.
These guys are... Oh yeah.
Take up!
Nice.
Not bad.
All of them but two.
That ain't bad.
Yeah, baby.
That's fine. Where be? Good shooting.
All but two.
I like that.
I will take that all day long.
That is awesome. Man, they worked so good though.
Yes, they did.
Oh, that one's gonna try to get away.
There's a big group coming too. Storm here. Big group right there.
Good girl,
Here.
Storm.
Good girl. Kennel.
Out here making the spread look even bigger. I'll show it to you here in a little bit, but the gist of it is we have a big wad right up here, and then we have just groups all over the place. Try to make this thing as big as possible, all full bodies again. A lot of groups of 3 to 8. Just sort of spread them out real big, because they're going to want to land with the bulk of the decoys. At least that's the plan. You always want to tweak it a little bit for some reason. It worked great. I mean, those birds did it great. The decoys are a little frosty. I mean, so they're a little shiny, a little wet. Hopefully that'll burn off soon. I think that might have a little bit to do with why the birds didn't work awesome, except for that small group. That small group did it beautiful. See all these small family groups that we got? And then we have a big old runway right up the middle. Few walking into it here. Man, looks good. Or at least from my angle, it looks good.
What? The sun is right in my face.
Yeah. It's always a good sign like that last group where they put their landing gears out way out.
Yeah.
Feet down.
They're still 100 yards out and their feet are down. Oh, look at that. It's a pair of singles.
Oh,
Ooh.
it says like you, and like you, and like you a lot.
Yeah, I wish they all got this low this fast. All right, no. That's right in the sun. I can't
Yeah,
see. You guys are
can't-
jerks.
I can't see you.
Going away, it looks like.
No.
Nope, there.
Now they're gonna turn, come right up the runway.
Put
Oh,
them-
yeah.
Put them feet down. Oh, yep.
Landing gear, come on.
Oh, oh,
Yo.
I like when you guys do them tricks. Those tricks are neat. We give it another shot after this. Take up.
Ah! Oh, that was fun. Oh, that was fun.
They were doing tricks.
They did good. Man, they're getting low well though. This wind is helping a lot.
One more.
I think they like it enough that we could.
Nobody shoot the blue. I want it.
If that white belly comes over, I'm shooting at him. Swing around one more time. There you go.
Shoot in front of you too, so we're not shooting at the same birds.
Yes, sir. That blue's right in front of me.
Should we try him?
And they're like,
Okay, right over the top.
Take him!
boy, they're out of there fast. Both blues. Man, they didn't do it exactly like we wanted, but
Well, I think we're
Got
gonna
some.
give them time, but if they would have left, we'd have been like, ah.
yeah, they're snow geese. You gotta take them when you can. Look at that dirty bird. Holy cow.
Good girl. Hey.
Woo. That's cool. They're making a pile though. Well, they're getting here quick.
Getting here quick?
Yeah, they're like right underneath the sun. Boy, look at the one back there holding that pumpkin.
God, they'd be perfect.
Boy, they are so close.
Come on, get together and ball.
Juvie leading the way. That's what we like to see.
That one had something weird on its leg.
No, don't even. That thing had something on its neck. Shoot these 5 or wait for the...
I mean, there's 5 up top and then 2 right behind them.
Oh, these 5 are pretty hard to pass right here.
I like them.
Smoke them.
Oh, no, there's more than that.
Yeah, there's 3 underneath them.
Take up! Yeah, baby.
Woo!
I know I hit 2 that time.
That's awesome.
I got 'em on my phone.
Yeah. That was a good volley. Got what, 4 of them out of that?
They freaking worked great.
They did it good.
I thought it was just 5 and then there's 3 below them.
They come back? It's getting closer though.
Like, why aren't you guys walking like me?
It's feeding closer, Wade's getting closer. Yep. He's like, oh no. What is that? No one else is freaked out. Step on him. Oh, all 12 feet away. Poor little guy. It was a greasy hide. That was nice.
Huh?
This hide was awesome.
Yes, it was.
It worked pretty dang good for a couple A-frames in the middle of a field.
Bad for a couple rookies.
So, A-frames, we got these evergreens underneath, which really held these chunks of grass. Now this grass actually has been growing out here in this the field, a little low spot. These things are like a blanket. I mean, look at the size of that. You can cover about a quarter of an A-frame in one piece. Like it. Obviously the birds didn't mind it either. So, we got 21, I believe is the count so far. Getting them all pretty here. We got what, 4 blues?
I believe so. Yes, sir. 4 of them.
I like it. Hey, that was a good little hunt. We did what? 4 guys, obviously. Had 21 birds, some blues. Man, that was fun. That was a good time.
Anyway, just because I know some guys gonna ask, I was using my new shotgun. That was the Impala Plus. It's got a Kicks High Flyer choke in it. I was using, well, ammo-wise, I was using everything from Triple B Black Cloud. There was some Speed Shock number 2s. There was some heavy steel 2s or BBs. I don't know. It was just a big grab bag of stuff. It was basically, I went through my truck and my safe and stuff like that, and whatever shells I had laying around, as long as they were steel, I chucked them all in one, and that was just what I was going to be shooting. So yeah. Oh, and also I did notice after a couple of volleys, I went and looked at the shot cam, and it wasn't mounted on square. It was cockeyed. Yeah, so I don't know if it was going to be aiming true, if it was before or after the volley that it happened. One way or another though, my point of aim could be a little bit off, so sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize until too late. I tried to fix it as soon as I saw it though, obviously. Yeah, good hunt though. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As you guys know the drill, hit that thumbs up button for me. It helps me out a bunch. I really appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you guys like the content, and we'll see you on the next one.